Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sarah, and in today's video I am going to show you the most basic method to draw a fashion croquis. So let's get started. Just grab your pencil, and as always I draw a straight line in the middle, which is the center line. And now I'm going to draw the head. So head is kind of egg shape, so the top part is a little bit wider and the bottom is a bit more narrow. And now I do the neck. So this is shoulder, and I'm going to draw a triangle for the top part. And now another triangle other way around, or let's say a kind of hourglass. Roughly your shoulder width needs to be twice the head, and the hip width needs to be 2 or 2.5 size of the width of the head. And then these little circles are the joint on the shoulder and also elbow, and this is the arm and hands. You can even just style it and just imagine the shape or the figure that your model is having. Now I am doing the legs. So these two little circles are knees again, and then feet. I am so sorry that you cannot see the bottoms, the feet, but later on I'll show you the whole drawing. So this is the most basic method that you can very easily draw any kind of fashion figure that you want, and even without adding outline, you can just straight away start drawing any type of clothing, dress, or whatever you are imagining. Yeah, I'm just making it a bit darker to be more visible for you guys. Very well. So if you are a beginner, just practice this. This drawing is very helpful. And now I am going to draw a few other little figure with the same method. So you see one head, two triangles, arms, and legs could be your choice. She or he could be standing any like, just try to have a balance, like both legs cannot go in the same direction. If one is like to the right side, so the other one needs to balance the body. I will try to explain that in my next videos. And now I'm going to draw another one. Very simply, arms on the hip. You see, this is kind of balance. So if one leg is crossing the other one cannot go with the same direction. So they need to balance the body. Let's do another one. So with this method you can draw more than 100 figures. Whatever in your head can become very basic and easy to draw. I do suggest you to practice this with me, or even after this, just do it as much as you can if you are hoping to become advanced in fashion figure drawing. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do it now. See you later.